I'm super excited because I'm about to show you a feature we just rolled out that honestly feels like one of the best things I've seen this year. 2025 is moving fast, and our team at Vizard has been sprinting to build tools that actually save creators time, not just add another menu to click through. Our whole goal is simple: make it ridiculously easy to turn long videos into attention-grabbing short clips in just a few clicks. Save time, post more, and get better results. Here's the thing: anyone who records themselves knows how messy it gets. I film a lot, and even right now, I have takes with stutters, repeated phrases, awkward pauses, the whole comedy of errors. You start a sentence, lose it, say a bunch, restart, try a different take, and suddenly you've got 10 versions of the same line. It eats time. You'd think trimming those out would be the easy part, but combing through hour-long footage to find the 3 golden seconds is brutal. So what if instead of you doing all that work, the software just did it for you? That's what Vizard's new auto-editing workflow is about. You drop in your long recording, click auto-edit, and in under 10 seconds, Vizard analyzes the audio and visual cues, finds the strongest lines, removes the dead air, and stitches together the clearest, most usable clips. It literally identifies which sentence landed, which ones were flubbed, and keeps the best one. This means no more manual scrubbing or guessing which take to keep. It's wild when you see it on your timeline. All the messy parts gone, and only the best takes remain. I'll be honest, watching the tool do that still makes me laugh. There are clips where I was repeating phrases like try out a dozen times. You can literally hear the repeats, and Vizard picks the exact moment where the delivery is clean and keeps it. It even trims silence so you don't have those awkward pauses that kill the pacing on Reels and TikToks. And the best part, you don't lose the personality. The clip still feels like you, it's just sharper and built for the attention span of social. But trimming isn't the only superpower. Vizard's auto-editing viral clips does more than just remove bad takes. It looks for hooks, emotional peaks, laughs, or moments that tend to perform well, and generates several ready-to-post variants. You get multiple short versions optimized for different platforms. You can preview them instantly and pick the ones you like. And if you're someone who always forgets to post, or worse, post everything at once and then gets nothing out of it, the auto-schedule feature is a game changer. Tell Vizard how often you want to post, say 3 times a week, and it will automatically queue and publish clips on your selected platforms, spacing stuff out intelligently. No more binge posting and then ghosting for a month. It treats your content like a calendar-worthy library instead of a random dump. That brings me to the content calendar. This is where Vizard stops being just an editor and starts feeling like your content operations teammate. You can see what's scheduled, rearrange posts, tweak captions, adjust thumbnails, and even assign clips to teammates if you're working with a small team. It's all in one place, so you don't have to toggle between 5 different tools just to plan a week. People always ask how this compares to other tools like Descript, CapCut, or those fancy cloud editors. Look, those tools are good for certain things. Descript is great for transcript editing, CapCut is solid for mobile edits, but they have limitations. Some are pricey for creators just trying to post consistently, others require a ton of manual cleanup, and a lot of them don't solve the scheduling and cross-platform publishing problem. You end up exporting clips, uploading to social managers, juggling formats. It's a workflow headache. Vizard chains those steps together. From long-form footage to published short clips, you can stay inside one app. That means fewer export fiddles, fewer format nightmares, and a much faster path from idea to engagement. Also, unlike some tools that feel like they were built for editors, Vizard is tuned for creators who want speed and results. The AI isn't trying to make your video look like a corporate ad, it's trying to find the moments viewers actually care about. I want to give you a real example. I was editing a walkthrough, and I had 3 minutes of me explaining the same concept with different phrasing. Normally, I'd spend half an hour deciding which take to keep. Vizard scanned the entire clip, highlighted 3 high-impact 20-second cuts, removed the filler words, balanced the audio a bit, and generated platform-ready clips. I hit publish to my socials on the auto schedule and woke up to double the usual engagement. Not every clip goes viral, but consistency scales. That's the point. Now, I'm not saying Vizard will magically make every clip explode. What it does do is remove the biggest friction points. The time suck of finding good takes, the annoying silence trimming, the awkward jump cuts, and then automates how and when you post. That gives you more time to record more content and test ideas. And testing is how creators grow. There are also a few quality of life things people love, like smart captioning and thumbnail suggestions. If you're running social for a brand, those features cut down back and forth email chains by a ton. A quick note on workflow. If you're nervous about handing over creative control to AI, start small. Upload 1 long video, try the auto-edit, check the results, and tweak the ones you like. You can always adjust the sensitivity of what the AI picks. Say you want more conservative edits, or you want it to prioritize humor over clarity. It's flexible. And for people comparing Vizard to hiring editors, sure, an editor brings a lot of taste and nuance, but editors cost money and time. Vizard isn't a replacement for human creativity, it's an accelerant. It handles the repetitive, boring parts so you and your editor can focus on higher-level creative decisions. We also made sure Vizard is friendly to creators at all levels. Beginners get templates and one-click options. Power users can dive into the timeline and fine-tune everything. If you're doing long-form interviews, it can auto-extract quotes and create a batch of short-form teasers in minutes. If you're a streamer, it can clip highlights from your VODs. If you're a podcaster, it will pull out the best bite-sized moments for socials so you can grow your audience beyond audio platforms. Okay, quick recap. Vizard auto-edits to remove bad takes and silence, finds viral-worthy clips, auto-schedules them so your content is consistent, and gives you a content calendar to manage and publish everything in one place. Compared to other tools, it's built to save time, not create more headaches, and it's optimized for modern creators who need speed and scale. I'm really excited about where we're headed this year. We're adding more platform-specific optimizations, better thumbnail AI, and smarter batching for series content. Stuff that'll help creators spend less time on logistics and more time making the next great thing. If you've been struggling with editing fatigue or a backlog of raw footage, try feeding Vizard one of your longer recordings and let it show you what the tool can do. You might actually enjoy posting again. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up. But tell me in the comments what's the worst take you ever had to salvage? Or what's the one feature that would save you hours each week? I read everything and I'm always trying to prioritize what to build next. See you soon with more updates and hopefully more features that make your life easier. Have a great week and good luck with your content grind.